Cats can admire human friends. But according to a study showing that they eat more than 2,000 species globally, including hundreds of people with concern for protection. Since 9,000 years ago, home cats have spread to all continents except Antarctica. In article Communications, researchers describe them among most problematic invasive species in world. Our study sheds light on predatory habits of one of the most successful and widely distributed invasive predators in world. Crested birds, mammals, insects and reptiles are on the menu, 17 of which are concerned about protecting according to the research that measures global diet. In total, 981 bird species containing approximately 90 of the species consumed, 463 reptiles and 431 mammals. Cats are particularly damaging on islands where they eat 3 times the types of concerns. Compared to what they eat on continents, their effects on wildlife have led violent discussions in New Zealand, where a politician campaigned to completely eliminate them, and discussed competitions that encourage children hit wild cats. In German Walldorf town, people were ordered to keep their cats locked inside in the spring to protect endangered crested lark. DPA Picture AllianceAlamy Only in Australia. Cats are estimated to kill more than 300 million animals every year, and protection groups want cats to be kept indoors. Some places applied cat locking. During the month, they were ordered to keep their cats locked inside. Previous research found that domestic cats on indigenous wildlife were an important blind spot, unda in acting on the large-scale negative effects. The study found about 9 birds, 6 of known mammals and 4 reptile species were eaten by cats, and there were no hectic snacks.If species missing. Prey is likely to be in surrounding environment or it rare. Scientists have reached these figures by trolls with hundreds of existing work. They believe that their predictions are conservative and that more research will grow. He looked at domestic cats whose work is free. A spokesman from Association Protection of Royal Birds said see wearing bells on quick oscillating collar and keeping cats overnight, reducing number wild birds and other wildlife they captured is a harmless but effective way to reduce time spent by cats in gardens.may be way beyond gardens. Cat rate. Vulnerable and limited bird populations, especially for birds that nest ground or ground, can cause certain problems, he said. It can also be a problem for birds that develop on the islands where terrestrial predators will not naturally do. Therefore, it is a good idea build new housing developments very close to important places for the nest birds, and reduce or remove wild cat populations on the islands they do not belong to. Mike Toms from the British Ornitology Trust, who was not involved in the study, said that the effects of free cats on wildlife are welcomed and a global assessment that they need very much. He said, work